Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, we're going to talk about some lenses, bizarre lenses rather, color lenses to use on your Bolex H16 Reflex or non-reflex. How about these? Bizarre enough? They are. Let's take a good look at them. So, what are these bizarre colored lenses? Well, they're called ophthalmic lenses. They're used to correct vision in people with visual impairment where the focal point of the eyes does not hit the retina. Also like astigmatism. Now these come in various colors. As you can see, I got the yellow there. And the blue, which is really nice. And what I can actually do here, if you're wondering, experimental filmmakers, fellow experimental filmmakers, you're going to love this. Simply hold this in front of the lens of your camera. Set your metering, your exposure meter, reading. And these give off not only but color, but bizarre images in like a nightmare visual state. Some you can even turn. So let's take a look at just some of these, the effects. Okay, so we're going to test some of these ophthalmic lenses. So you can see the image now through the cell phone. I'll put the ophthalmic lens, one of them, backwards on here. You can already see the effect. I can turn it, and it gives a nightmarish effect. Or I can just simply leave it alone, move the camera, and you can see the nightmarish effect that it gives. Just like that. We can also turn the lens as we do this. Definitely you can see the type of effect. Very creepy. Very nice for experimental filmmaking. Okay, so next we're going to use a yellow ophthalmic lens. Put it right over here. Now you see what I'm talking about? Look at this beautiful effect. The saturated yellows. And look at that horizon at the top right there. Then pan around with it slightly. If you're an experimental filmmaker, you want something really creepy, this is it. Ophthalmic lenses. Next we're going to try a blue. Put that right over there. And again, you can see the creepy, dreamlike, nightmarish visual. Very, very cool for experimental filmmaking. And here's a sample of the green. This way I can wave my hand and you can see definitely an eerie, nightmarish, creepy look. Again, beautiful for experimental filmmaking. And again, the way I use these, hold the ophthalmic lens right over the front of your lens. Do your exposure metering. Get that reading. And then you can turn the ophthalmic lens if you wish, or just leave it like so and just rotate your camera on the tripod. That way you can get your eerie, creepy, nightmarish look. Again, for experimental filmmakers, such as myself and others, I love these lenses. I really do. They're very inexpensive. Generally when you find them, these are vintage lenses, by the way. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell down there. Hope you've enjoyed it. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!